What if I told you that a small piece of land could earn more than your 9-to-5 job? Farming today isn't just about soil and sweat, it's about smart choices that lead to serious profit. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful types of farming that are changing lives. Whether you're in the city or countryside, there's a profitable venture waiting for you. Stay with me till the end, your next income stream might be hiding in plain sight. Let's start with a classic, poultry farming. Chickens may be common, but the business is anything but ordinary. With a low investment, fast turnaround, and daily income from eggs or meat, this venture offers quick returns. Free-range and organic setups are especially in demand today, commanding higher prices. Whether you're raising layers or broilers, poultry farming remains one of the most accessible and profitable farming ideas across Africa and beyond. Fish farming, also known as aquaculture, is making waves in the farming world. You can rear tilapia, catfish, or trout in controlled environments using ponds, tanks, or even barrels. With increasing health-conscious consumers seeking white meat, demand is booming. And the best part? You don't need a river or lake. Proper management of water quality and feeding can lead to harvests every few months, with very high profit margins. Goat farming is gaining ground, especially among farmers targeting premium markets. Whether it's meat, milk, or manure, goats offer multiple revenue streams. They're tough, disease-resistant, and thrive in dry climates. With breeds like Boer and Saanen, you can raise quality livestock that sells fast and at great prices. In some markets, goat meat fetches even more than beef. That's profit wrapped in fur. Beekeeping is a silent income machine. With just a small backyard, you can set up hives and begin harvesting honey, wax, and even propolis. The startup cost is low, and bees don't need daily feeding. Honey has a huge local and international market, and organic honey commands premium prices. Plus, bees boost pollination for nearby crops, making your entire farm more productive. Nature's smallest workers might just become your biggest earners. Mushrooms may not grow in the sunlight, but they sure shine when it comes to profit. With just a dark, humid room and some sawdust or straw, you can grow oyster or button mushrooms in weeks. The market? Hotels, restaurants, supermarkets, and health food stores. One small space can yield kilos of mushrooms monthly, and they sell at a high price per kilo. If you're looking for low space, low maintenance, and high return, mushroom farming is gold. Avocados have gone global, and farmers are cashing in. Known as green gold, avocado farming is one of the most lucrative ventures today. Once trees are mature, they can produce for decades. Export markets, especially in Europe and the Middle East, are constantly hungry for Hass avocados. While it takes patience, about 2 to 3 years to fruit, the long-term returns are massive. This is a legacy crop that builds wealth. No land? No problem. Vertical farming is perfect for urban areas. Using stacked shelves and grow lights, you can grow lettuce, herbs, and leafy greens indoors, year-round. With hydroponic or aquaponic systems, you control everything: water, nutrients, and light, leading to faster growth and zero pesticide use. This high-tech method may seem complex, but it's scalable and increasingly profitable in cities where fresh greens fetch high prices. Pig farming doesn't make headlines, but it makes money. Pigs grow fast, reproduce in large numbers, and eat a wide variety of feeds. They convert feed to meat more efficiently than most animals. With good hygiene and space, you can turn a small piggery into a thriving business. Pork consumption is on the rise, and large-scale buyers like hotels, processors, and butcheries are always on the hunt for quality pork. Now you've seen 10 powerful ways to turn your land, or even a single room, into a steady source of income. The path you choose depends on your location, time, budget, and passion. But one thing is clear: farming is no longer just survival, it's a business. So which one will you start with? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to GreenProfitCultivate for more game-changing ideas. It's time to grow profits naturally.